Okay, they're giving me something and they want me to show something. And what are they giving me? They're giving me that 8a minus 5b over 7a minus 4b, this is the given, is identical to 8b minus 5c over 7b minus 4c. And they want me to take this given and show that c is the third proportional to a and b. So let's write this over here. A, B, B, C. So really what they're asking me to show is, they're asking me to show that A over B is equal to B over C. All right? By the way, there's many ways to do it, but I do want to follow what we're giving you in the key. So let me talk about that now. But I read it. I know what I have to do. I have to take what's given, and I need to get this over here, in that direction, by the way. So what I did was I wrote it down. I wrote down, the 8a minus 5b over 7a minus 4b is identical to this, all right? I assigned it the letter x, by the way. And then what I try to do is I try to get these things in the problem, right? And that could be difficult. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but let me write this over here, and I'll do one at a time for you. So I'm going to write down 8a minus 5b over 7a minus 4b. And I claim this is equal to x. By the way, they're both equal to x. But my goal over here is I want to get the ratio. What ratio could you probably aim for there? Probably a over b. All right? So let me see if I could do that. So I'm going to go slow with you. So 8a minus 5b equals, let's see, you'd get x times 7a minus 4b. And let's see what we're going to get here. And you're going to get 8a minus 5b equals 7ax minus 4bx. Well, I want to get a's and b's on different sides now. Let's see if we can do that. And I'm going to get 8a minus 7ax equals 5b minus 4bx. All right? I'm going to factor out an a in this one. And what are you going to get? 8 minus 7x. And I'm going to factor a b out in this one over here. What do you get? 5 minus 4x. And I want to get a over b. So a over b is going to be equal to, let's see, 5 minus 4x over 8 minus 7x. Now, by the way, this is a milestone now. I got a ratio, all right, of a over b. It might not be helpful, but I want to point out, look at the key, right? Do I see that? Do I see a over b? I do. Do I see 4x minus 5? Not really. What I'm seeing the opposite of it. So what I want to do is I want to make sure you understand that you might be confused by that, but let me write this down. I can multiply top and bottom by minus 1. And what would you get in that case over there? 4x minus 5 over 7x minus 8. All right, am I seeing that? Let's take a look. I'm seeing the 4x minus 5 and 7x minus 8. All right, that's good news, by the way. Now, I'm going to start to erase here. I got that milestone. It took time and effort to get there. But I'm going to repeat. And someone's, what are you going to repeat? Well, instead of using 8a minus 5b, I'm going to use the other one, which relates b and c together. All right, let me put that down for you. It's going to be the same story, though. 8b minus 5c, 7b minus 4c. And what do you get over here? Let's write this down. 8bx minus 5cx. I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. I'm daydreaming. 8b minus 5c equals 7bx minus 4cx. Well, I hope you remember what we did last time. We got c's on one side, b's on the other side. And I'm getting a little better at this. So it's 8b minus 7bx equals 5c minus 4cx. And I'm going to factor out a b now. And what do you get? By the way, we're aiming for this. We're going to get what? 8 minus 7x. I'll factor a c here out. And what do you get? You get 5 minus 4x. And we want b over c. Well, b over c is going to be 5 minus 4x over 8 minus 7x. And I want to see if I reached that milestone, and I didn't. It's this is what they got over here. So what do they appear to do? Minus 1, minus 1. Let's put b over c. You would get 4x minus 5 over 7x minus 8. Did I reach that milestone? I did. All right? So let's take a look. I'm going to get my eraser out, erase all my work. By the way, this is not the only way to do the problem, but it's the way I initially saw the problem. All right, now, what are we supposed to do? We were supposed to show that this is the case over here, right? We were supposed to show this. Did I show that? I did. And what did I show? I showed, if you look at this over here, this and this are identical. So what do we show? We have shown that b over c is identical to a over b, which means what? It means this. Is that what we wanted to show, though? Not really. It's a different order. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to write this a little differently. I'm going to write this now as c over b is equal to b over a. Let's see if we can write that down now. What do we get over here? Is that what they have? Did I make a mistake somewhere? Oh, I'm sorry. I did have that. I don't need to do anything else with it. I'm sorry. I was rewriting it when I shouldn't have rewrote it. Let me erase this. This was unnecessary. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know why. I didn't see that. All right? But anyway, b over c is equal to a over b. What does that mean? Equations are reflective, by the way, and that's why I thought I didn't see it. But this still means a to b is the same thing as b to c. All right? This is what we had to show, by the way, and we just did that. All right? Sorry about me going on a wild goose chase there. Thank you.